If you're evaluating an electronic QMS for the first time or thinking about switching, 2026 is a good time to get it right. Aerospace and defense manufacturers are dealing with tighter supply chains, rising material costs, talent shortages, and growing regulatory complexity. A modern eQMS isn't a nice-to-have anymore, it's the foundation that holds everything else together. So, what should you actually look for? A handful of capabilities matter most. Start with compliance. You need a system built around AS9100, soon to be IA9100, with documentation that's complete, controlled, and traceable, since you're likely answering to the FAA, EASA, and other regulators at the same time. Next, look at supplier oversight. Aerospace programs depend on multi-tier supply chains, so your eQMS should track certifications, send expiration alerts, and give suppliers a portal to upload documents and respond to surveys directly, instead of chasing them over email. Closed-loop nonconformance and CAPA is non-negotiable. When a defect happens, the system should capture it, link it to the right part or supplier, and drive corrective action automatically, with reporting that helps you catch trends before they become pattern. Document control matters just as much. Engineering changes, work instructions, and training requirements all need to stay in sync, with version control and e-signatures, so your team is always working off the latest approved version. This is where QT9 QMS stands out. It's pre-validated to AS9100, soon to be IA9100, includes supplier, customer, and employee portals, and offers both on-premise and cloud deployment. With 25+ connected modules and seamless integration into QT9 ERP, you get a single source of truth, from supplier certifications to shop floor data, without stitching together disconnected tools. If you're choosing your first eQMS or finally replacing one that's holding you back, now's the time to build on a platform that scales with you. Ready to see how it works? Schedule a QT9 QMS demo today and start building your aerospace compliance readiness now. Read more at qt9software.com/blog for additional resources and guidance.